Good morning, student. My name is Swati Sharma. Welcome back. Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. Today's date is 10th July, and our before starting the our course, Jai Swaminarayan. Okay. Now our chapter is running out algebraic expression, and what we learn about algebraic expression, what is algebraic expression, and what is variable, what is constant, what is variable are the term which have no constant value, means its value varies upon condition. Okay, and constant have a fixed value, that is called constant. And now in this chapter we have learned about terms. Okay, terms of the expression. If the expression divided by plus and minus, then it having terms, and if the expression having multiplication and division sign, it is not divided the expression into terms. Understand? Now what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient is the simply the number which have multiplied in the multiplied with variables. Okay, and now we have learned about like terms and unlike terms. The like terms which have same variable and same power is called like terms, and unlike terms the terms which have not same variable and not having same power, it's called unlike terms. Understand what is monomial? Monomial having one term only, where the algebraic expression which have only one term is called monomial. The algebraic expression which have more than the algebraic expression which have two terms, it is called binomial. The algebraic expression which have three terms is called trinomial. And the algebraic expression in general, an expression with one or more term is called polynomial. Thus a monomial, binomial and a trinomial are all polynomial. Understand? These all are polynomial. Okay, now we have learned about how to solve the equation and how to find the terms, how to find the degree of the polynomial, how to find like or unlike terms. And now we have to solve some about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, how to add of algebraic expression, how to subtract algebraic expression, and so on. Okay, in 12.2 I hope you have completed your work, exercise 12.2 in your notebook. Okay, now our new topic is finding the value of an expression. Our new topic is finding the value of an expression. How to find the value of an expression? We know that the value of an algebraic expression depend on the value of the variable forming the expression. Understand? But there are a number of situations in which we need to find the value of an expression, such as when we wish to check whether a particular value of a variable satisfy a given expression or not. What is the meaning of these? Now, what we know that the algebraic expression has variable, and a variable can take any value. Okay, and it's depend upon the conditions. Thus, when a variable takes a value, the expression also takes a value. Let us suppose that the cost of a book is y. Okay, let us suppose the cost of book is y rupees. If you are buying 5 books, you pay rupees 5y. If one price of one book is y, then if you buy 5 books, then how many rupees you pay? 5 into y. Understand? Okay. Okay, then you have to pay 5y rupees. The value of this algebraic expression 5y depend upon the value of y. Means what is the price of pen? It's depend upon the value of y. Understand? So depend upon the value of y being a variable, it can take any value. If y is equal to rupees 3, then 5y is equal to 15. If y is equal to 40, then 5y is equal to 200. So to find the value of expression, we substitute the given value of y in the expression. Understand? So is this type we have find the value of then expression. Okay, understand. See the example number 7. Find the value of the following expression for x is equal to 2. Then whatever the expression is given, you have to put x is equal to 2 in this expression. Here x plus 4 is given, so what you do, x plus 4 means putting 2 is x in place of x you put 2. Okay, so it become 2 plus 4, that is 6. So your answer is 6. Understand. Same here, find the value of the following expression when n is equal to minus 2. Where is when you see the n, you have to put the value is minus 2. Okay, so here 5n minus 2, so 5 into minus 2, that is minus 10 minus 2, it become minus 12. Understand. So this type you have to solve the expression. And now if there are two variables and given value is 2, see, find the value of the following expression. If a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2, then what to do, putting the value, both the value in the expression and find the answer. Understand. So let's do exercise for 12.3. m is equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. So what you do, put the value of 2 minus 2, it become 0. So first one is answer, it become 0. Now 3m minus 5, 3 into 2 minus 5, that is 6 minus 5, so it become 1. Okay, so this type you have to solve. 9 minus 5m, 5 2s are 10, 9 minus 10, that is minus 1. Okay, now 3m square, 3 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus minus 7, that is 2 square means 4, 4 3s are 12 minus 4 minus 7. Okay, so it become minus 4 and minus 7, it become minus 11, and 12 minus 11 is 1. So your answer is 1. Understand. So this type you have to solve question number 1. What about question number 2? See the question number 2. For p is equal to minus 2. Where जहाँ पर भी आपको p दिख रहा है वहाँ पर आपको क्या रख देना है, minus 2. So let's take 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So it become minus 6 plus 7. So it become plus 1. This type you have to solve question number 2. Question number 2, second one I will do for you. That is minus 3p square means minus 3 into p square means minus 2 का square plus 4p, 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So it become minus 2 square means 4 plus minus 8 plus 7. Okay, so it become minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. So minus 8 and minus 12, it become minus 20 plus 7. So your answer is minus 13. Understand. This type you have to do these sums, question number 1 and 2. Understand. Then question number 3, find the value of the following expression x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. You have to find the value of x is equal to minus 1. So 2x, it's given 2x minus 7. So putting the value x is equal to minus 1, it's given. So you have to put, so it minus 2 minus 7, it's minus 9. Okay, understand. This type you have to solve question number 3 completely. Now one more I will do for you, that is 2x square minus x minus 2. Put the value x is equal to minus 1. So it become minus 1 square minus minus 1 minus 2. So minus 1 square means plus 1, 2 minus minus plus minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel, your answer is 1. Okay, Now question number 4. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the value of a square plus b square. Find the value of a square plus b square. What to do in this question? So first of all, we have a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 2. A square plus b square, 2 का square plus minus 2 का square. So it become 2 का square is 4, minus 2 का square again 4, 4, 4, 8. Your answer is 8. Understand? This type you have completed question number 4. One more I will do for you. A square plus ab plus b square. Then a square means 2 whole square plus ab, 2 into minus 2 plus b square means minus 2 whole square. Understand? 2 का square 4, 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus minus 2 का square plus 4 minus 4 is cancelled. Your answer is 4. Understand? This type you have completed question number 4. Now question number 5. A is equal to 0, b is equal to minus 1. Find the value of the given expression. Same, only you have to put value a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay. Let's do 2 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. Understand? It's become 0, it's become minus 2. So your answer will be minus 2. Understand? One more. 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. Put the value 0 square into minus 1 plus 2 into 0 into 1 minus 1 square plus 0 into minus 1. See here, when we multiply by 0 to any number, it becomes 0 plus 0 plus 0. So your answer is 0. Understand? Okay. Now question number 6. Simplify the expression and find the value of x. If x is equal to 2, value is given, x is equal to 2. Now put the value x is equal to 2 in this expression. Let's put 2 plus 7 plus 4 into 2 minus 5. Okay, 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 4 is, पहले first we solve bracket. 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. Okay, 3 4s are 12 with minus sign. So your answer is minus 3. Understand? This type you have complete question number 6. Okay, one more I will do for you. It will fourth one. Okay, now completed fourth one. Okay, 4 into what is the value? 2 into 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. Understand? Plus 3 into 2 plus 11. Okay, now 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 11. 12 plus 6 plus 11. Okay, that is 18 plus 11. 18 plus 11, that is 29. 29 is your answer. Understand? This type you have to do question number 6. Now question number 7. Simplify this expression and find their value. X is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. See बच्चों, इसमें जहाँ पर आपको x दिख रहा है जिस एक्सप्रेशन में, उसमें x की वैल्यू रखना है. जहाँ a दिख रहा है वहाँ पर a की वैल्यू, और जहाँ b दिख रहा है वहाँ पर b की वैल्यू रख करके आपको उस एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टैंड? डोंट टेक एनी टेंशन, यू हैव टू सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. अंडरस्टैंड? Now question number 8 is if z is equal to 10, find the value of. Same question है, only you have to put the value of z. It is given and already given to you. Okay. Now question 8 का second one question है हमारा, if p is equal to minus 10, find the value of this. Okay, only put the value of p in this expression and find the value. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू रिमेंबर, आपको याद क्या रखना है, जहाँ स्क्वायर है, जहाँ माइनस का स्क्वायर है, इफ़ द स्क्वायर नंबर नेगेटिव नंबर वी स्क्वायर द नेगेटिव नंबर, इट इज़ ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव बिकॉज माइनस इंटू माइनस ऑलवेज बिकम अ प्लस. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस रूल because if you don't remember this rule you have confused, and if you mistake the sign then the full question will be wrong. Okay, so remember, if negative number, square of negative number is always positive and minus into plus is always negative. Okay, you know na, we have completed in integer chapter what is the rules, minus, what is the rule, minus into minus always plus, and minus into plus is always minus, and plus into minus always minus, and plus into plus always plus. When the like sign both are minus and both are plus, then we are getting always positive. Okay, understand? Now this type question number 10 is the same way you have doing question number 10. If you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp and do it in your notebook. I want to complete your notebook. If you completed your notebook and देखो, अगर आप लोग मेरे साथ चलते चलोगे तो आपका कोर्स साथ में होता जाएगा, उसमें गैप नहीं रहेगा. So please do the your work completed in your notebook. Understand? Okay, have a good day.